Hey guys, welcome back. I know this is quite the intro here. We're going to be doing the 1 hour transformation. So first off, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. And we are still drinking our coffee, so we're going to go ahead and do this transformation. My hair is crazy right now. We're actually going to be doing the hair also. I'm going to be kind of getting ready, and I thought this was a really cool video. I've been seeing it floating around for a while, so I figured why not go ahead and hop on the bandwagon. I know it might be a little bit late, but I still wanted to go ahead and do this with you guys, or for you guys I should say. If you guys want to get ready with me, feel free, because girl. I also don't know who came up with this video, so if I did I would give credit, but I don't know who actually started it. So I just been seeing a ton of people do it, so I figured we would go ahead and do it. It's still morning time over here and we need to get ready for the day. So I am in my robe and I'm super cozy, but we're gonna go ahead and demangle this hair because it is seriously a mess, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it on camera with you guys. I'll probably speed it up and like kind of to show you a little bit, just because I have a lot of hair and that would probably take up the full video, which we don't really want. We want to kind of do the makeup too. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna be using this bad boy today. This is the Bellamy curling wand. I don't know the exact name because it came in a set. Bellamy 5-in-1, I believe, or something like that. So I will link it down below for you guys, but this has been the wand I've been using for a bit. Oh, we match. How cute. But this is the one I've been using for a bit, and I don't remember the size barrel this is, but it is super hot right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. So my hair is straightened already. It was from yesterday, so I'm just gonna kind of section it in the way that I like to kind of just do like little waves to my hair. So I just split it like this and leave a decent chunk from down here. And I'm gonna be repeating that step throughout the whole head. So if I come back with all curled hair, then that means it just took way too long for me to actually keep in this video. But I'm just gonna kind of clip that up. And then I just take the wand, which obviously you wanna be super careful because this is burning hot. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do little chunks and curl away from my head. And I only leave it on for like a few seconds. Really don't like a tight curl. The longer you keep it on, the tighter the curl is gonna be. So just be mindful, be careful, be really careful. I just let it go and kind of crunch it in my hand. That's just been the look that I've been doing. Once it's all curled, I do kind of just flip it to the back of my head. And then once it's like all done, I kind of brush it out because I don't like a really curly look sometimes. Mainly for like the everyday, or if I'm going out, I like just like a loose kind of curl. So hopefully I'm in frame completely. But oops. So like I said, I will link this one down below. I don't remember the name on like offhand, to be honest. But yeah, it's one of my favorites. Like it heats up so fast. It gives the best curl to me personally. Like if I'm not gonna go get my hair done at the salon, this is what I turn to because it's amazing. So yeah. And I'm breaking out a lot right now. I don't know why. So rude. It really is so annoying because my skin was just getting so clear. And of course, boom. I think it has to do with the time of the month because it's been a rough one. This cord in my face, I am so sorry about that. But I can't really move it, so we're just gonna roll with that. But anyway, that's how I kind of do my hair. I just curl it away from my head. As you can see, they kind of all go together and kind of just brush it out. And then I do go in and spray it with hairspray at the very end. I'm just gonna kind of continue these steps so we're not here for 7 hours as opposed to the 1 hour mark, because we could definitely be here that long. But I'm just gonna complete this step all the way to the top portion of my hair. As I get to like the top and crown portion of my head, I don't go as high with the curl, I kind of keep it a little low. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue that. And if you guys wanna see like hair videos, hair tutorials, let me know, drop it in the comments. I would love to hear. I'm gonna continue the whole head. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair back with these little clips just to get it out of my face when I do my makeup, and then I'll kind of bring it back to the front later. All right, so I just went ahead and put on my brows quickly just to save some time. I'm now going to go in with the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Masks to put underneath my eyes before I get started with my makeup, because why not? I feel like being extra. No, I really need to like do something underneath my eyes because like I look like super tired while I go ahead and start on my eyes. I love like the excess like serum that it leaves behind. I feel like it really treats my under eye and like does something. Feels so good. Take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply a little bit to my eyelids to prime my lids. Then I'm going to go in with the Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced, one of my favorite palettes, you guys. I'm going to take the color, it's Cashmere, right here, and apply that to my outer corner area, kind of transition area too. Get it in the crease. I think I'm going to do an all matte look today. Really feeling that. Love these types of looks. The shadows blend out so, so good too. I'm obsessed. Then I'm going to take the color Oh That's Rich, which is a really beautiful burgundy, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner area. Let me know if you guys are like watching me while you guys are getting ready, because I feel like videos like this, since it's so chill, laid back, and I don't know, like just fun, I feel like those are the ones that I like to watch when I'm getting ready, because when I'm getting ready, I for sure watch YouTube and like vlogs and stuff. I just catch up on people's videos like that. I think it's like the most relaxing for me. Like that's how I like to relax. So let me know if you guys are watching this video like how I watch videos when I get ready. Just find that like to be super interesting. Like I always like to know what you guys are doing when you're watching me, because sometimes I'll get people sending me, you know, pictures of me on a TV screen, or like you're in bed watching me or whatever it is. So I'm gonna take these off now because they're getting in the way. And I just let the serum kind of like seep into my under eye. Oh, I live for like a look like this. Obsessed. Like I just love how like smoky that looks. Yes, honey. Just gonna go ahead and blend this in. Also take that color again, it's Cashmere, pop it on the lid. Oh, I love an all matte look, yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the skin real quick. I'm gonna take the new e.l.f. Putty Primer and apply that all over the areas where I normally put primer. So right here, 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 and here. I'm just gonna blend that in with my fingers. I'm gonna really pat it in. And I really, really like this stuff. It really does hide the pores. Beautiful. I'll get back to the eyes later and kind of finish blending that out as well. But now I'm going to hop into foundation. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Mine's in the color Natural Beige. Absolutely adore this. And I'm going to apply it all over my skin. This foundation is so good. It's so like full coverage. Oh. I'm just gonna take this brush and apply a little bit more on my forehead for extra coverage. Using this, I like doing that sometimes. To get like around the brows. Any of the areas I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. Sometimes the Beauty Blender kind of like takes it away. For concealer, I'm going with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. I am in love with this, so freaking good. I'm gonna apply it right here. If you haven't tried this, you need to try it. It is so good. And like, using it with the Born This Way foundation, girl, so, so bomb. I'm gonna blend this in. To go ahead and do bronzer, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Bronzing Stick. This is their matte bronzer in the color Baked. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it while my skin is still not set, right in the contour areas. Love this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the side of it to blend upwards to bronze my skin. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then I'm just gonna tap a little bit with the sponge and just put it in the areas like by my forehead, my temples, my nose, with that instead of drawing it on. Oh, it just seeps right in the skin. I love it. So good. To go ahead and set my under eyes, I'm taking my Holy Grail Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and the Powder Puff. I feel like this Powder Puff makes a world of a difference when setting the makeup because I don't bake. I just like to kind of like roll and press it. Using this is amazing, you guys. It just looks so porcelain. Put it right in the under eyes and roll and press. Oh, so flawless, like airbrush looking. As far as underneath the bronzer, I just kind of like draw a line. Going in with Pure Cosmetics Sculpture Palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take this first shade right here. Super messy, I know. And this angled brush, and just pop it into the contour area just to kind of deepen this up a little bit in the back. And then taking Too Faced Born This Way, this is my favorite bronzer. It's the Chocolate Soleil. Again, just taking a little bit on that and stippling it right here and bringing it into my cheeks. Obsessed with this bronzer. This has been like a holy grail bronzer for me for years. Aside from it smelling really good, it also has like a beautiful, rich bronzing color, but doesn't look orange. It doesn't look too deep for me. Like it's the perfect bronzer, I think. I love it. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and do my nose. Next, I'm gonna take the NARS Loose Blush. This is their Orgasm Blush, but it's also like an illuminator, which I'm obsessed with. It's so pretty, oh my God. It's a blush, but it, you know, has that shimmer to it. I'm gonna put it here to the apples of my cheeks and bringing it upwards where I normally would highlight. And then we'll obviously add highlighter in a little bit, but oh, like that sheen is just super beautiful. I'm gonna spritz my face right now with the Morphe Mist, bomb.com. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia and just do a little bit of the highlight right here for right now. Nose. And I'm gonna put a little bit into the inner corner and intersection of my eye. Forgot to do that before. And then on my brow bone as well. What is your go-to highlighter? I always ask people that because everyone always asks me that, and I always have such a hard time saying what it is because I don't know what my favorite highlighter is. Like I have so many that I just want to say all of them because they're all like my favorites. Like I'm obsessed with every single highlighter. They all like do something different, even though that sounds so crazy. They all have different like ways and pigments of them. Like I like using a stronger one and a loose one to like make it pop. They all just play a different role, I think. Call me crazy, but I definitely feel like highlighters are different in their own way. Move into lashes quickly. I'm going with my favorites. Salon Perfect 614s. Nothing really changes here. This is my favorite. I'm gonna pop those on and I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have lashes all on, we're going with mascara. This one's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara, one of my favorites right now, you guys. Like, look at this wand. So amazing. I'm so obsessed. So I'm gonna just do it to the roots of my lashes, like the false ones with mine, and then adding a little bit to the bottom. Oh, I love it. It makes them look super black, elongated, everything I would want in a mascara, to be honest with you. It's gonna take a little bit of the NARS Illuminator, and I'm just gonna run this right on to the tippy tops of my cheekbones. Even though it's liquid, I still think it looks bomb. Like, even though we put down a powder, it just makes it look that much more of like a sheen. Obsessed. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and change out of this robe into a cute top. So I will be right back. In a few seconds, I'll remove the mascara that got all over my lid, but I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz my hair. I did take it out of the clip, so it is just like a loose type of wave, which is something that I love. I love when they're not so like uniformed and like tight. I just like when it's kind of like this. I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of hairspray in my hand and run it through and then put it to the bottoms and kind of like scrunch it a little bit. And then I go in with a shine spray. This one's from Dry Bar. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it again in my hand and run it through. It just gives a beautiful shine. Like, I'm so obsessed with this stuff. I've raved about it in a favorites video, just one of my favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that lovely mascara that got on my lid. And I'm gonna go ahead and deepen up that outer corner quickly. I'm gonna run it below as well a little bit. Just like so. That's stubborn and doesn't wanna move. For my lips, I'm going in with MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Line up these lips. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the NARS liquid lipstick in the color Stripped. And then to top off all of that on the lips, I'm taking the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, and this is just like their clear one. Just gonna quickly take a precise brush with that plum color and just run a little bit more on the lower section. Just to deepen that a little bit. I'm gonna spritz my face one more time. So that is all on this makeup look. That pretty much completes the full face, full glam, starting from hair. Well, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already. Also, if you guys want to see more hair videos from me, like I said earlier, definitely let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. I believe that is all for this makeup, this transformation, the 1 hour glam. I'll also have all the products that I used in today's video down below, like always, so be sure to check there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video.